Hello everyone, this is Servans the Herbalist. How are y'all doing today? I'm here with the statue, I'm here with the bongos. I'm going to play a little bit. I'm not going to do a live just yet. And my bad about anybody, because I was going to do a live, but shit happened. Although, I'm learning to live more now. I just traveled to Kansas City the other day. Had a great time. Had one little dream come true. Just a little personal dream. But yeah, this represents Mother Earth to me. And I'm gonna reform here and shit like that more in the future. So, yeah, you probably seen me with this in a video a while ago, but hey, it is what it is. And you know what? After this, I'm gonna go make an important purchase because I've only got one life to live. It's 2023, and I can't cry about spilled milk. Like, I literally cannot cry no more. It's like I had time to do that. I had a lot of shit I had to cry about, and that's what it is. So, hey, to anyone who sees me, I fuck with y'all. Let's go. jump on it, jump on it, jump on it. I'm punching, jump on it, jump on it, jump on it. Bing, bing. No. Hey y'all, I love y'all. I'll see you in the live tonight.